Hello. Today's lesson is number 16-3, and it's called Reading Pictographs and Bar Graphs. You've taken a survey and recorded the results in a tally chart. That's part of second grade math curriculum. Today you'll learn to read data in graphs that use pictures, just like the picture here. Students in George's class took a survey of their favorite cereals. Then they made a graph to show the data. George was absent the day they made this graph. What can he learn by looking at it? Students had lots of ideas of things he could learn by looking at it. For example, that nuts and wheat are the most popular cereal. His classmates like that the best. Honey granola is the least popular cereal. I also had students tell me more than twice as many students like Berry Crunch the best compared to those who like honey granola the best, and lots of other things. Students in George's class also took a survey of their favorite fruits. How many like bananas best? I asked students this, and they told me it would be 10, because you see 2 trees, and we know each tree equals 5 votes. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then there were lots of other things we could see about that chart too, including how many votes altogether, and comparing the votes of one fruit to the votes of another fruit. Lots of stuff, lots of great information on the chart. In a tally chart, you can skip count each set of 5 tallies by counting by 5s. We don't say each mark in a tally chart, but we count by 5s. In a pictograph, you can also skip count, but what you want to do is look at the key first. And on this screen, you can see the key at the very bottom. It says each set of cross spoons equals 2 votes. Each single spoon equals 1 vote. So you can skip count by 2 to find the totals, since each set of cross spoons equals 2 votes. One thing I wanted everybody to notice is that each pictograph you will see has a key. And you really need the key. Just like you need a key to unlock a locked door, you need a key to unlock a graph and to understand what the graph is showing you. So please, please, please look at the key first when you look at a graph. Here's another key. This one has hockey sticks because the pictograph is showing the number of hockey teams in each league. 2 crossed sticks equals 2 teams. And what does a single stick stand for? At the bottom right, I can see each single stick stands for 1 team. Here's a bar graph. And I didn't talk much about a bar graph because we've done bar graphs all year long when we recorded our test data, so students are pretty familiar with bar graphs. But bar graphs also show information. They can compare information by putting different bars up. The scale is something that you should look at for a bar graph. It shows the units that are used. In this case, the scale goes up the left-hand side here. Starts at 0, and then they didn't write a number for 1, but it's there. 2, and they didn't write a number for 3, but it's there. 4, 6, 8, 10. And it would go up higher if the goals went up higher as well. Okay, so we looked at some of these questions here, and you can pause the video to look at these questions and answer them for yourself. And that was it for today.